Hi, in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi network name on the Fritz box 4040 router. First thing you need to do is to access Fritz box settings in the web browser by entering fritz.box in the web browser address field, and when you see the screen like that, go to the wireless, then go to the security, and there you can change the network key. Click apply to confirm all the changes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.